I know that many of you have probably noticed these structures along the side of Highway 188, also known as Keowee School Road, heading from Seneca into West Union. So we've been working on this development with SK Builders now for about 5 years. The first phase has already been completed. This building behind us was completed and closed a couple of years ago, as well as the building here to my right to your left. We're in the process of beginning phase 2. These next 2 buildings are about 30 to 60 days from completion, so we're going to give you a first look at these units. Hey guys, this is the A floor plan. I know it's a super creative name for a floor plan. This floor plan is known for its sunroom, 180 degrees of natural sunlight coming in through 8 windows in that front sunroom area. This floor plan does have just over 2,000 square feet without a bonus. The units that come with the bonus are about 2,400 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths in all of the units. We do have granite countertops. We have 5-inch hand-scraped hardwood floors, much of which you can't see right now because this one isn't quite done. But when it is done, I can tell you these are going to be some of the most unique and some of the most valuable townhomes that provide a maintenance-free lifestyle that you'll find in Oconee County. I wanted to show you the master suite. This is what some people say the heart of the units. So if you want to take a walk with me, you'll notice that there are pan ceilings here in the master with crown molding. Ceiling fan does come included. You've got 6-foot windows side by side to allow in all the natural sunlight. But let's go on in here to the master bathroom. We've got some super fresh ceramic flooring, granite countertops with a double vanity sink, ceramic tile shower, separate potty room, and a garden tub. And for all of you folks that love to hoard clothing, take a look at this massive closet. I've got about a 6.5-foot wingspan, and there's still about 1.5 feet on each side to give. All right, guys, we're still in the A floor plan, and this is the A floor plan kitchen. Super convenient space, granite countertops. The appliances aren't in yet, but just to let you know what come with these units, you do get a dishwasher, microwave, range oven combo, and garbage disposal. Fridges do not come with the units, but I can introduce you to somebody who can get you a great deal on one. So welcome to the B floor plan unit. This unit is a little bit different of a layout, as you can tell. You've got a lot of natural sunlight coming into the living space here. You also have a massive island in the kitchen, which is a huge selling point. We're in the master suite of the B floor plan. Again, you've got the ceiling fan with the pan ceilings as well as the crown molding. Ease on into this bathroom. Layout's a little bit different. You've got the double sinks. You've got the soaking tub. You've got a little bit more of an exposed ceramic tile shower, yet and still a massive closet. Now in the B units, we are offering bonus rooms. So if you want to walk over here with me, you'll notice that you've got a little secret getaway to your upstairs bonus space. Walk with me and I'll show you the size of this up here. Not all the units come with a bonus room. In this unit, only the only the B units have bonus rooms. But just take a look at the size of these bonus rooms. Monstrous. And they do have a closet. So technically, you could call it a bedroom, closet, and of course the window. Most of the garages are going to be very similar in size. If you have a bonus room, you don't have as much additional storage here in the back. But even if you do have bonus space, Jack, come here and let's show them how much space they get even with a bonus room. You still have all of this supplemental storage space within your garage. 55-gallon water heater. All of this stuff will be finished off for you. So this is the C floor plan, and this might be my favorite floor plan. We've got the specialty ceilings throughout to give it that much larger than square footage lifestyle. You've got an awesome bedroom here with a pseudo Jack and Jill, and then the other guest bedroom is there. Again, 5-inch hand-scraped hardwood flooring throughout all of the living space, carpet in the bedrooms, and Jackie, if you'll come this way, let's get a little bit closer look of the kitchen. You've got a really nice peninsula here with an EAT bar, granite countertops, and of course the shaker cabinets, alpine white with the cabinet crown molding. You can tell that each floor plan is a little bit different in shape. Size from the A to the C, only about 100 square feet difference. So not a whole lot in terms of size, but they all live a little bit differently. But for the price point, you absolutely cannot beat it. If you guys have any questions about the townhomes at Preston Ridge, please don't hesitate to give us a shout at 864-985-1234 or simply click the link here within this post. Thanks so much for joining us and have an awesome day.